So Matt picked me this butterfly milkweed flower a few days ago, and we ended up noticing that it had this tiny monarch caterpillar on it. So every day we've been picking it a new piece of milkweed, and it has grown like 3 times the size that it was. So the kids are getting to watch the process. Are you super excited to see it change?
Yep. So I think they'll turn to a greenish chrysalis.
Alright, so the boys' caterpillars have turned into chrysalis now. There's one, and I don't know if you can see. There's one swinging right there. One swinging right there. They were so excited to see the changes. Okay, so the kids' chrysalis were green, bright green, and now they have changed to a clear, and you can see the monarch butterfly wings through it. So they're pretty excited. That probably means they'll probably hatch tonight, maybe tomorrow.
Okay, so one monarch hatched. There's the empty chrysalis back there. Now it's gotta wait for the other one.
This is awesome, isn't it?
Yes, this is
Yeah.
awesome. I can see the it's moving. I can see the legs. I just need to get some nectar. Coming out. It just got out already. Let's just maybe we should let them get some pollen first. Get some nectar from the flowers. The flowers are up here. And then the water.
Alright, the other one I think is getting ready to open his wings for the first time. Guys, can you believe it's happening?
Yes.
And this
Big.
that's a big one. That was a perfect example.
This swan bed. Swans over here. Swans is up in the wing.
Time when they're full grown. Is this one?
Wow, it's hard to believe that this small one over here is going to get as big as this.
Yep.
Keep watching.
I see their little straw thing. They have roll-up straws, Mommy, that are like this, and they suck the nectar. This is the greatest thing, right, Mommy? We're gonna keep these two cocoons, right, Mommy?
Just maybe to show Daddy.
This is totally really awesome.
Alright, let's slowly take it outside and film it.
Okay, I'll take it.
No,
Okay.
You
you
don't
guys get the doors for me.
yeah, but can we go out? Sit down.
Yeah, sit down, take this off.
Sit down and take the hood off.
I'll take that.
This is really unbelievable. Try to bring it up slowly until the monarch is out. They're getting ready. They're gonna fly.
Look
No,
it.
they're set free. You raised 2 caterpillars.
Hey, it ended up just in time for your birthday.
Yeah.
Is that an awesome birthday present?
Yep. Seeing monarchs grow. Getting them to grow up. They're realizing they're in the real world. Right, Mommy?
They're waiting for their wings to dry out.